whipping down Campbell River. I'm tired, guys. It's freaking wet outside.
It is a little wet outside.
And I don't have a dry suit.
Kale's gonna get soaked. I do have a dry suit.
Like shit.
It's gonna be fantastic. We don't know where we're going yet, but we're gonna find somewhere.
We're thinking of the dam, maybe.
Yeah, send it right off the dam.
And
no, we're gonna find some side route.
Yeah, we've been talking about what the heck we're actually gonna do. That looks like my dog over there.
To my left, I thought it was a dog, but it was a black bear. It was right there. I think side river. I think we're gonna find some side river, and it's gonna be good.
We're stupid because we didn't turn on the camera.
I literally turned on the camera.
So, guys, we're about to go down Campbell River today, which Moet has been
dying to go.
And I have not been dying to go because I do not have a dry suit, and
I do.
I'm gonna be very wet and miserable.
It's gonna be great
and really not fun.
No, he's got one. He's got one coming.
Hopefully, we're gonna hit some clips. Hey guys, voiceover Kale here. I just wanted to explain what was kind of going on. We're kind of just driving up to the spot at the moment, taking a look at the river, just seeing like where we can launch. And the weather conditions are kind of worsening the more and more we drive up here, and I'm kind of laughing about how Moet's gonna have to bike back, so I'll have to be waiting for him for quite a while. But let's just cut to the clip of me waiting.
So at this point, we went a little farther up the road and trying to find another spot to put in, but couldn't find a good place to basically pull out and bring the boats down. So we decided we're going to turn around. Kale also reminded me at this point that I was going to have to bike up this hill, and it started to rain a lot. So I decided, okay, we'll turn around. There's another spot we knew about to put in, and Kale really wanted to hit this one wave before we went down for a paddle. So we decided we're going to go pull over. Kale's going to get into the kayak. I'm going to get the drone up in the air to try to get some shots of him, and he's going to try to hit this wave. Unfortunately, Kale misses horrendously, and you'll see in a couple seconds here of the clip.
Cut to the clip. Guys, I was just sitting here. I'll show you where I was sitting. I was sitting right up here on this here log.
Huh?
Dude, I was sitting right here, and then I looked to my left and I thought it was a dog, but it was a black bear. It was right there, and I was like, uh-oh. And then it walked up that hill.